Got about 2 minutes, so that's the 200 meters for you. In the outside is Arnav Nitin Takalkar of Maharashtra. He is the first of them. Then in lane number 7 is the next of them, which is Abhay Singh, 21.16 in the heats from Reliance. Animesh Kujur surprisingly will be drawn in lane number 6, 21.11 this morning. He had a slower time than Jishnu Prasad. .453 is Astik Pradhan of Odisha. So there we go now. The first of them is Pandayan of Tamil Nadu, 21.25. The next of them in lane number 2 is Astik Pradhan. He's yet to come into your picture frame. This is J. Pandayan. The national record, Animesh Kujur. You got Astik Pradhan for you. Odisha 21.55. Animesh Kujur 20.32 in 25 May. 31st May. The fourth lane, third in fact, is Adesh of the All India Police. In 4 is Nitin B. Then in 5 is Jishnu Prasad PK of Kerala. There's the man who finished second in the 100 meters. Animesh Kujur, 21.11 is the national record holder, as also the meet record holder, 20.10. In lane number 7 is Abhay Singh and Arnav Nitin Takalkar of Maharashtra in 8, 21.58. The qualifying mark, 20.61. And if that's achieved, then it does go on to become a national record, because the national record is 20.32. Kujur in 6. A lane which is not quite used to, is always at 4 and at the most in 5. Uh, 10.20 in the 100 meters. Just behind Gurinder Veer Singh. He's there with that start. He's always got that explosive finish. Going in strong out here. He knows today that that's the occasion for him. He now moves ahead by a whisker, moves ahead now by a mile. That's what he always does. In 3, you got a strong Adesh Karsa. But here he goes home. As expected. Animesh Kujur, as expected, takes the 200 meters, 20.54, and that is the qualification mark, if he's achieved that. And 20.61 is what was the required mark. We'll keep our fingers crossed out here. What a start he had. He blazed away like a meteor. And then at the 100 meters, which is where he normally starts taking over, he told the others, it's time for me to move ahead. The men's 400 meters hurdles, the women's correction to the 200 meters. What's wrong with me? The hurdles, the 400 are over. The women's 200 meters now coming up with a strong field. That's the one at the end of the pack, Tamanna. Next to her in 6 is Fatima Begum from Tripura. It's good to see the northeast states now coming up. In 5 is the 100 meters girl, Sudeshna Hanmant Shivankar. In 4 is Kusum Thakur of Himachal Pradesh from the mountains. Prachi is in 3, JSW. Jilna in 2, MV Jilna, All India Police, and V. Sudiksha of Karnataka. So in 1 is Sudiksha, 24.48 in this morning, represents Karnataka. MV Jilna in 2, 24.59 represents Police. Prachi of JSW, 24.16 this morning, represents JSW. Kusum Thakur from Himachal Pradesh, 24.16. In 5 is is the favorite Shivankar, looking for a double. 23.90 represents Maharashtra. 100 meters gold at the National Games, Dehradun as well. Fatima Begum of Tripura, 24.09 this morning. Tamanna Haryana, 24.12 in the heats. And Rishita Kaur of Rajasthan, 24.36. In lane number 5, Sudeshna Hanmant Shivankar, the best timing. She's the only one sub 24, 23.90. Lane number 5, lane number 4, lane number 6, 7 as well. Tamanna has also run the 100 meters. Absolutely clean as a whistle there. Sudeshna Shivankar going a split there. She's drawn in lane number 4, Kusum Thakur. Shivankar now doing well. 5. Look at Kusum Thakur. Well, the lead there in lane number 4 by Kusum Thakur. Is it going to be the end? There she is. That's a surprise. That's a big, big surprise. That's a huge surprise. Kusum Thakur of Himachal Pradesh from the mountains takes the women's 200 meters. Well, what a run she's had out here. And what does she say? Can we have it for the camera, please? Well, what a run this was. Everyone thought that Sudeshna Shivankar with that 23.90 in the morning, here it's still 4 and 5. And what does she say there? She says, I don't do anything. Show it again. Can we have it again? I don't do it again. It's doing power. Well, the girl from Himachal Pradesh, what a run she's had out here. Amazing run. She had 24.16. Some of the others were better. And now it says his race is dictated. The race is dictated to someone. I wonder who that